Getting vaccinated or not vaccinated at an adult age, which you are, is your choice. So nobody can force you to get a vaccination done, but it should be a choice which is informed. And so you should have all the information, arm yourself with information and take a call. What I would like to tell you is that there is scientific data and evidence today to say that vaccinations are safe. That means once the vaccinations were rolled out around this time, abroad, all across the world and in India, we were also hesitant as obstetricians what to advise. So large studies in US and UK with the mRNA vaccinations as well as for the AstraZeneca, the Covishield that we use in India, almost 90,000, 1 lakh pregnant women were vaccinated, followed up, but we did not find any adverse problem in the babies born to them. So that's our first concern when we are pregnant, that we should not do anything that will harm our baby. Fair enough, but we haven't found that evidence. So that's the first thing. Second problem, we also talk about the preterm birth. We find that in patients who develop the COVID infection are having higher incidence of preterm birth, but in patients who are vaccinated or not vaccinated, the preterm birth is the same. What does that mean? That vaccination has not increased my chance of preterm birth, right? So these are the two things you can prevent. And today, to your surprise, and what would actually turn you around is that there is some evidence that there could be some antibodies in your breast milk if you have been vaccinated in pregnancy. Just like any other vaccination, you take a Tdap. Why? Because you want those antibodies for whooping cough to go to your baby, right? So if this can happen, I'm sure all pregnant women will come forward. So today, according to any recommendation, by recommendations by our body in India, by UK, JVA, or CDC in USA or anywhere else, there is a recommendation that pregnant women are actually higher risk of developing infection and serious disease, so they should be prioritized for vaccination if there is a priority line going on. You can take your vaccination at any stage in pregnancy. Initially, we were little hesitant in giving you in the first 3 months, because first 3 months are very important in pregnancy and can cause any harm to the baby, but we still haven't found any evidence there. So even if you are in first trimester and you have taken a vaccine, don't worry, it will not probably cause any problem. So any time in pregnancy is fine. If you had taken 1 dose before you got pregnant, please follow with the same vaccination in your pregnancy, finish the second dose. If you have already taken 2 and you are in one of those where you can get that precautionary dose, as our government has now today and announced a few days back, you could go ahead and take it. Breastfeeding mothers, please take vaccination anytime that's accessible to you. So don't deny yourself. Vaccination is your best weapon to protect yourself from serious disease. It will not protect you from getting infected. You can still have a breakthrough infection. Any variant can still, because its vaccine is not 100%. But no vaccinated person today is in ICU. So that's important.